Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look, okay? And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you our headband wig. It's so beautiful, seriously. For those who doesn't really like to style their hair, who doesn't want to waste time to like wear wig and style wig, this is the perfect wig for you guys. What I'm wearing right now is an headband wig, and I just style it with this hairstyle on it. So if you can just relax, just grab a cup of water, you'll be able to see how I get to style this hair. This beautiful, how I did this knot, you're going to see it. And then if you're ordering this headband wig from us, you'll be getting this hairstyle also. And then during this season, we're doing free delivery worldwide. So if you're ordering from us, you won't be paying for any shipping. So you won't be paying, shipping will not be included. You're not paying for shipping, we'll ship to you. And definitely you're going to get your hair before Christmas. So guys, if you want to see this video, why don't you relax? Let's get into this video. But before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting on that subscribe button and pressing on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, please again support me by making sure you subscribe to my channel and making sure that your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my video. So without taking too much of your pretty time, let's dive into the video. So guys, I already styled my hair. Like, you know, if you've been watching my hair tutorials, you will know that the only gel that can actually lay my hair this flat is my wax. Yes, this is the wax I'm talking about. This is the wax I'm talking about. If your hair is thick, those kind of hair that can actually break comb, if your hair is very thick, seriously, try this wax. It will lay your edges down one time. It's the only thing that can actually lay my edges down this flat. I've tried a lot of stuff and nothing actually works for me because my hair is really super thick, very thick. So this really worked perfectly well. This worked very well. So I'll recommend it. And while my hair is tied already, let me just quickly introduce you guys to the Bay in Tan. So like you all know, this is what is actually trending right now, the headband wig. And this headband wig is from Change Your Look, okay? I'll be leaving our Instagram handle in the description section so you guys can check it out. Follow us on Instagram and order from Instagram. So it's got a pin in here, and you also have another pin at the back, 2 pins at the front and 1 at the back. So all you need to do is to put it, just wear it the way you would like to wear your wig. Like, we introduced this wig like few days and it was already out of stock. A lot of people bought it. It's really very nice. It's beautiful. So when you do that, you just lock it at the back, then you can move this so my edges can actually show. This hairstyle, this band wig is really beautiful, and the hairstyle is for those kind of people that is very busy and they don't even have time to like style their hair. They don't have time to do those stuff. So if you're always on the road and all you need to do is just to wear something on your head and off you go, this is one stuff you can actually rock. So this is like one good extension you can actually rock for this Christmas. The hair is really beautiful. I'm just going to run my hand through it so you can see how it looks. It's really very beautiful, very beautiful. This is without adding anything like water or any stuff on it. And I'm also going to show you some other styles you can actually rock the headband wig with. It's really beautiful. This is not like every other headband wig out there. Seriously, it's not like every other headband wig out there. This came really beautiful, and the extension is 100% human hair. And wearing it like this, it doesn't fall out of your hair, not at all. It won't fall at all. I will wet it now for you guys to see how it will look after wetting it. It's a very beautiful wig and it's very affordable. So what I did, I just put a little bit of leave-in condition, just like a drop on it. You can actually use ordinary water if you want, but I just put a drop of leave-in condition inside this bottle filled with water. So all I need to do is to shake it and then I just spray. Okay, so this is how. Just take a close look at this coils. Take a close look at it. See how beautiful it looks. So you can see how beautiful this look. Yes, this is the real extension for Christmas. It looks good. You don't want to stress yourself. You are a working class lady and you don't like stress. This will solve all your problems. You don't actually have to like style your edges all the time whenever you want to wear it. You can just wear it. Sometimes you can even leave the band and just cover the front of your hair and off you go. But I'm just going to show you some different ways you can actually style this hair. These are some bands you can actually use. So if you want, you can style it like this. Just depends on your preference anyways. This is really beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I like this. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna try another one. This is another hairband. This is beautiful, like seriously. This is beautiful. I think I got this headband from Zara. Yes, I got this headband from Zara. This is very, very beautiful. I actually picked this earring because of this hairband. So what do you think? Let me try the next one. So this is another way you can actually style it. So I'm just going to style it one more time for you guys to see how it actually looks. Then I can just put this over. It's a very beautiful hair, seriously. I won't lie to you guys. This hair is beautiful. It doesn't get spoiled. You will use and you will get tired. Seriously. So this is one to go for, and it's not expensive. It's very, very affordable. So if you want to order this hair, please feel free to check the description section and you're going to see our Instagram handle. Then you can follow us on Instagram and then order the hair, and then it will be delivered to you, and we deliver worldwide as well. So distance is not a barrier. We deliver worldwide. You'll be able to get your hair at least before Christmas. For those who work all the time, or for some people that doesn't really have time to style their wig or so, this is one wig you should go for. The headband wig is trending right now and it's beautiful. It's easy to work with. So that is it about the video. Hope you guys like like this video. If you do like the video, please don't hesitate to support me by subscribing to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please be sure to subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.